Hello folks, this is Sammy from RV Ready. Today I'm going to show you a video for the brand new redesigned Alpha Wolf by Cherokee 26 dBH. As you can see, the new one has a different front cap with a front window, and it is gorgeous. Here's what, for an example, what the old one would look like. Let me see. This is like what an old Alpha Wolf would look like right there. And going this way, I'm back to the new one. It's beautiful. Has a really deep slide out. These are slam latch doors with magnetic hold. Pretty nice inside finished storage. Let me see if I can get this to work. I think the buttons are off in there, but as you can see, it's very clean. So this is right here. 6,853 pounds, and it is 32 feet 8 inches. The GVW is 7955. So now that we got that part, I've got a front power jack. I have power jacks front and back. We also have something new, which is prep for side cameras on both sides and the back, and then on top of the entry door. You can use those as security cameras, or you can use the system when you're on the road, but you'll have to buy the system. The juice pack comes with it, and on top of that another 100 watts, so it makes a total of 200 watts. That's the solar controller right here. Let me see. There we go. Have the lights. Ta-da! See how clean it is? That's the laundry chute from the inside. Put your laundry really nice. It has the dog leash safety thingy. So Alpha Wolf gives you 2 of the LCI step ladders. I mean, stable ladders. Not one and then the other one regular. So this here also is a pretty nice prep area. Refrigerator, ice maker, and that's a security right there. Boom. So you bring your own barbecue, but there is also a propane quick connect right here that goes down. Let me go around. Keep going. Okay, by the way, these both doors are safety glass. Very nice, beautiful. Here's the other step. Here's an entry to the bathroom. I'm gonna go around in a minute, show you all that. This now has the Lippard on-the-go ladder, which means that's the prep for it. All you gotta do is buy the collapsible ladder from the service department. And this is the prep for the rear camera. They also have receivers now, 300 pounds, 3,000 max. That's the tankless water heater, outside shower. All the hookups are very neat in one place. More storage. And if you notice, right now, see how much my reflection is in the window? All these windows are reflective windows. They hold the heat outside. They keep you nice and cool on the inside, and you can't see through, so you can just see from the inside out. You can't see from the outside in, which is pretty cool, instead of having to put the shades. Okay, this is, as we walk in, that's a central vac system. Now this has been redesigned. This is not the same floor plan. Notice the wall is tilted that way, and we have recliners. Very nice, huge U-shaped dinette. And this is the beautiful thing. This is the really neat thing to see. Look at that. It's a solid surface now. No more Phylon stuff. And it's lit. How cool is that? A lot of solid surface. The sink has a bunch of parts inside it. Look at that. We have a cup washer. We have a sink that moves around. And 10 cubic or 11 cubic almost. 12-volt refrigerator. Here are the bunks. And both bunks have USBs and USB-Cs for the kids. And notice we have one window on top and one window on the bottom. A lot of manufacturers only have the one. And down here, oh, it's locked. Let me just open that up a little bit. Here we go. Big drawer for storage. You don't have to worry about this going out. Look, kids go up. You're done with it. You gotta fold it in. This is also a new hardware this year, if you notice, very modern. And we have a very big pantry. Now let's look at the bathroom from the other side. I showed you earlier what it was. Porcelain toilet, pretty good shower, fantastic fan. I think it's made by Furion now, I'm not really sure. Maybe this one's still fantastic fan. Redesign here. I'm not very thrilled about this sink, but you can't win them all. The new lighting this year is a strip across the ceiling and it's dimmable. Very cool, very cool. These sofas have heated seats, massage, and a light. See that? That's pretty cool. Okay, so where's the button for this thing? Here it is. Okay, and that's the recliner. It's brand new, sometimes they stick. Fireplace, smart TV, and look at this stuff. Boom, nice. I like that. You don't see that in a bunkhouse, small bunkhouse like this one. Very nice, 60 by 80 queen. Nice cabinets. And we got lights here. If I go around, I'll show you a little closet area, some shelves. There's also pretty cool stuff here where you got a little nightstand kind of feature. You can put your cup of water, power plug, USB, USB-C, CPAP machine, telephone, you name it. And I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to use one hand here. Look at that, big. And it's open from the front. So if you got something in your hand, you can just kick it in. And let's see what else we got. A 15K BTU air conditioner. Good to mention that. Here's the controller for the tankless water heater. And that's the dimmer switch. Look at that. I'm going to dim. I'm going to brighten. We have a voltage reader, and the tanks now are heated with heat pads on top of the regular furnace heat. So here it is, folks. RV ready, Lake Elsinore. Come down and see us.